This morning before the ride and before we have our coffee, our beautiful wisteria that every year blooms is just starting to bloom above the pond. And of course all the stuff drops into the pond eventually and gives me a little exercise. And the weather looks like it's going to be beautiful. The plan is I'm going to link up with Luciano this morning and we're going to do a little riding. All this restoration, all this money. Oh, looks good, baby. Yeah, wow, looks good. Well, that's the biggest steering dampener I have ever seen in my life.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it.
Wow, that's like for a four-wheel drive Jeep or something.
Yeah, it looks like a rough on the doors of the in the supermarket.
Right. Is that where you got it? It says shop right on there. What do you Hey, came out nice. Wow.
It runs beautifully.
Beautiful. All the bugs worked out. We're gonna make it to Perry's in one piece.
Yeah.
No parts fly off.
The last thing I replaced was the starter.
Oh, okay.
The starter under there. It's a pain in the butt to change it.
Yeah,
you have to take everything off the drain the oil.
Oh.
Remove the brackets. Oh my God.
That's made in Italy. What do you want?
Yeah.
Nobody makes pizza pies easy either. Look. Yeah, that came out real nice.
Yeah.
Now that's the motor from Texas. That's not the original motor.
The motor, the guy says the motor is perfect. It is perfect.
It is perfect?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
$400.
400?
Ship it. Somebody deliver the motor to me.
That's pretty good price. Yeah, that's pretty good. Wow, it looks nice. I bet you're gonna like riding this.
Yes.
It looks like Lauren's bike. The one, the black one she had?
Yeah, yeah.
The paint, everything looks nice.
Yeah.
The dashboard, you got all the lights working? The other day the lights weren't working?
Everything works, yeah.
Got the gold levers, oh my God, made in Italy levers. Whoops, made in China. This is like when you combine China and Italy at the same time. Yeah, it looks real good, Luciano. Definitely good.
The other Kawasaki came even better than this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks nice, definitely looks nice. Buster made it its first trip to Perry's. Nothing fell off. Not a single part, a wheel bearing, nothing fell off. And it looks like we got the usual suspects here. Is this the Moto Guzzi Club here? The Moto Guzzi Festival or what?
Yeah, it must be.
I must be giving these things away, huh? Or do you plant seeds and they grow? How does it work? I bet you Hitler wish he had that gun on it. World War II. Now, if you like Moto Guzzis, this must be a lucky day.
Ferrari motorcycle. You don't see that every day.
They're made by Moto Guzzi, actually. I want to get this on the channel. He came to show his bike off. Oh, I'm so jealous. Oh, give him a hug. Buongiorno. There comes another one. Look at this.
Where's the alcohol?
Luciano, they're giving them away. Look, here's another one. Look at that. They're giving them away.
That's a new one.
New ones are no good. You got to have an old one.
One broke in the bottom. That one broke out the well. So we ended up getting a motor from Texas, 400 bucks. Deliver. The guy was coming to New Jersey, delivered the bike, delivered the motor with a 35,000 mile run screw.
Remember the guy with the Camaro had something with at the track day?
I would
put a car up?
I would have trusted.
Oh, I see.
I prefer to have somebody helping me out.
Oh, look at this. Hey, I don't need you as a friend anymore. I can buy this electronic thing here. Ah, that's better than Luciano. Look at that. I like that. You don't like that? You can put it on the roof of your car with that thing. That's great. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. Our friendship is over. I don't need you anymore. Okay, the Moto Guzzi Club is getting ready to do their thing here. What's Jose doing? Sabotaging the guy's bike? Wait, want to get the Moto Guzzi Club. Look at him. Boy, I bet Pokey wishes he had a real Moto Guzzi. Hey, he's right there. Hey, Pokey, eat your heart out. Oh, Luciano's flirting with Nicole already. Look at this. I like the muffler on it. The one has a double two cannon muffler. Look at that. It's pretty cool.
That looks like a bazooka, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like something from World War II that Hitler would want to use. Developed by Germans. No wonder they lost the war. The guys went for a cannon, but it was a Moto Guzzi muffler by mistake. Oh my God.
Center stand looks very low.
Wow, yeah, that center stand looks like it's almost down. Well, we're critical, aren't we? Holy cow. Oh, hey, we're all having fun. At our age, being alive is fun.
Yeah, got a lot of new pieces on here.
Came out great, didn't it?
It came out beautiful.
No, I touched it up a little bit.
No, it looks great. Nice bike. It's awesome.
And he's young again. Pokey, you should get one of those Moto Guzzis. They're very stylish.
Right here.
No, a real one. That's a modern one. You got to get the old rusty thing.
I got one. I got a 90 sitting in my garage.
What the father and son over there?
Which one's the father?
They love each other.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Here we go. Up the hill.
I'll tell you what.
You know, one day he's gonna put his foot down into some dog doo-doo or something, come right down, slide down the hill.
If that bike was a belt,
Here we go.
I'd be all over that thing.
Here we go.
Drive, right?
I was gonna dump it on my back.
What good is a BMW if it has a chain?
Yeah,
You may as well buy a
jet bike.
You may as well buy
And it's
three jet bikes. No, Ferrari, they absolutely make cars.
I know they make cars.
They make wonderful motorcycles, but they do make cars.
Just raffling it off, all redone.
Oh, it's like Dale's, but Dale's got the
Yeah,
exact
same
same
thing,
bike.
same thing, yeah.
Or did they raffle Dale's bike off by mistake?
No.
They should have told him it was up for raffle.
Joe, you need the strip like I did.
No, I don't need
Put
anything.
the glue on glue.
No.
He's got that fake carbon fiber on the forks, and he told me.
He made me put that.
Yeah, he says you made. He says,
You know why? Because look at his front of his bike. He has the same
is yours
shit.
all chewed
Of
up? Or
course
you got
he
that
does.
fake shit on your bike?
See?
Not his bike.
Oh, wait a minute. Not the other bike. The other bike.
He's a liar. Look at.
On the V-Strum he has that.
Oh, you liar! He doesn't have that shit on his bike. You got the fake carbon fiber.
Hey, Dudu was waiting for
Shut that! He's got a bird stuck in a fairing. Help! Help! Let me out of Jose's fairing.
So much. I hate that bird sound.
You're picking up the Chevy dealer stuff
My
here.
helmet. You don't hear that.
right here, baby. Number one.
Let that bird out of the fairing. That bird has to go to the bathroom. Let him out of the fairing. Hey, you're gonna run the bird over. Ah, he's screaming. Get that bird out of there. I think the bird is in here.
I think it's going crazy.
Like a bird.
That bird's got diarrhea.
That's a traveling picture.
Quality to paint.
That's the whole
Oh yeah. A motorcycle is just something for me to paint. That looks great. Nice.
That's all factory paint, man.
Wow. Well, they do. I've been to York. I watched them do the work on
They're
the bike.
crazy, right?
Oh, well, there's a reason they're expensive. They do a lot of work to do this paint job. What do you think? You do this in one afternoon?
Well, they might.
You know what I got coming next week into my shop? A Modus. I'm gonna paint up a Modus for
Oh, Modus?
Modus.
No shit, I've never seen one in real life.
The one that's all carbon too.
Really?
Yeah, I got to do some carbon work on it.
Really?
Coming next week from Vlad. That is beautiful.
Like an oxymoron, isn't
I'm
it?
not sure you can see the paint on this, but the paint is really outstanding.
Have you seen Ron the hairdresser lately?
I talked to him yesterday.
That is really a
Find out. What's he
sweet
riding?
paint
He's got
job.
the new Harley, and then he's got that Triumph 800.
Yeah, that's an Augusta. It's nice. I like the pipes.
When that came out, did you go to the show at the Guggenheim? That bike.
So for the first shakedown ride, it's pretty successful. That's been a long time coming, baby.
Alpha's gonna stop.
A lot, yeah. Well, that's why I'm taking a picture. It doesn't start. You get your money back. Actually, he did a lot of work on his bike. I don't know if we've taken a lot of video of it, but it's been a lot of work. It's been a monster. All right, see you later, alligator. I gotta go pick up the dog.
Bye.